Hi, I'm David from the Gabriella Miller Kids First Data Resource Center, or the Kids First DRC. And in this video, we'll give an overview of the Somatic variant functionality within PedcBioPortal, a partner platform to the Kids First portal. First, let's log into the Kids First portal and navigate to the data exploration page. Kids First Cancer Studies provides somatic data, which contains information about the genetics of each tumor sample. If participants diagnosed with a particular type of cancer have a tumor sample available, Kids First provides genomic sequencing for each of those samples. Here, I've created a query to start with participants from the neuroblastoma study who are probants. And for the sake of our example today, to narrow down our number of participants, I'm also looking at participants who are male and who were diagnosed in age of less than 700 days. You can see based on the results output, we have 167 participants that meet those criteria. And if we scroll down, we can see that there are links available out to our separate platform, PedcBioPortal. PedcBioPortal is an instance of CBioPortal. It's a cloud-based cancer visualization and analytics application. PedcBioPortal allows you to review genomic data for somatic samples in an interactive browser interface. If we select that participant, we can see information about their specific tumor, which links back to the record on the Kids First portal using the participant patient ID, or the PT_ number. From this, we can see that within this patient's tumor, they have an ALK mutation. We can also find information about the nature of that mutation and whether it's predicted to be oncogenic. Now that we've seen a representation of a single participant, we may want to look across all participant samples that have an ALK mutation. To do that, we navigate to the study view using this link at the top right of the screen. This page provides information about all of the patients in PedcBioPortal in the Kids First neuroblastoma study, a total of 364 patients and 364 samples. You can filter that data to sort and narrow based on search criteria. So for example, if we're interested in looking for all the participants with an ALK mutation, we can select this checkbox in the mutated genes table and then choose Select Samples. This will refine our search down to just the 23 patients and 23 samples with an ALK mutation. From here, if we click on the Clinical Data tab, it will display a table view of all of these participants and their samples. If we click on any of these individual participants, we can see that they also have an ALK mutation as identified within their specific patient view page. By clicking the Download TSV button, you'll be able to download a copy of this table to your desktop, which you can open in software like Microsoft Excel. From there, you can then copy that list of IDs back into the Kids First portal by adding a filter for participants and uploading a participant list. You can then paste that IDs into our column and choose to upload those. And from there, we're able to narrow down our participants just to the set that meet that same criteria as before, but also that participant ID list that we chose on PedcBioPortal, which have the ALK mutation. From here, you can access data files for your cohort of participants to learn other information about them. You could then export the files into Cavatica for further analysis. Be sure to watch the 4th video in our support video series for more instructions about using Cavatica. But we're only scratching the surface of what you can do in PedcBioPortal. For additional support and resources on how to use PedcBioPortal, check out the links in the video description. Make sure to check out other user support videos on the Kids First DRC Support YouTube playlist. Thanks for watching.